What's up, sellers, and welcome to this video. In today's video, I am unboxing this mystery box from my friend Josh, aka Harry Tornado, here on YouTube. About a week ago, my friend Josh, aka Harry Tornado, on YouTube and Instagram, he put up an Instagram story saying, hey, I have a $50 mystery box, whoever wants it, it's up for grabs. And I was, in typical Nick fashion, I was too little too late. And so I reached out to him and I was like, bro, I got next. Please keep me in mind. I want a mystery box so bad. He responded and was like, yeah, you and like literally 50 other people. So a few days went by. I was recording my $900 mystery box of Amazon returned electronics, and literally after I finished recording that video, I was like, man, I should do a little mini series about mystery boxes and sourcing from home online, just buying like random mystery boxes from different platforms and then showing people how you can source and resell from home without ever like going to the store to source. Literally while I was thinking about that and talking about it to one of my close friends, I got a DM from Harry Tornado and he was like, dude, I've got a mystery box for you. You can have a small box for 50 or you can have the large box for 100. So in typical Nick fashion, I was like, yes, please sign me up for the $100 package. Give me your PayPal address. I'll send you the money, and we did, and
3 days later,
here it is. It's been a few days, but we have it. It's here, and I'm ready to open this thing. Now, I did an Instagram story this morning where I tagged Josh and was like, hey, I got it. And he said, dude, this is a good one. So fingers crossed, guys. I hope this is a good one. I'm going to show what I've got in here, and then I will throw comps up in post-production so you can see, and they will probably show up here or here. Not really sure where it's gonna lay out, but let's do this. So I noticed that in my $900 video I didn't show enough of the box, so that's what we're doing here. We're gonna cut into this joker. This says top, so we're opening it from the top. I'm actually not going to look into it. I'm gonna let the camera look in before I ever get to see. So let's just get this on in here. Let's see. I can't see anything, so hopefully it's in focus. I don't even know. Okay, I don't see anything. What is it, guys? Let's look. All right, okay, it's bubble wrap. Nick, thanks for the support. Keep up the hustle. Hope you enjoy the mystery box. Josh, Harry Tornado. All right, what do we have? Guys, this looks tasty. All right, right on. So right off the bat, we have this little bag. I guess this is like a little craft bag. It's got something in it, so we'll open that up. My daughter might actually take that from me. Nice. We've got, sweet, man. We've got a Sony PlayStation controller. I do not keep up with video games, so I'm not sure if that's a PlayStation 3 or 4. Probably, I don't know. I know it's not a PlayStation 2 because I think that was the last PlayStation I ever had. So, awesome. We've got a PlayStation controller. We've got this little bag, which my daughter will probably confiscate from me. We've got this, I don't know if this is just Bluetooth or if it is just, or if it's just a 1/8 jack. Got this little speaker right here. Going to test all this stuff and do the thing. Let me just show you inside the box, because there is some good stuff in there. You can kind of see it from there. We've got a bag of rubber bands, which will come in incredibly useful whenever we bind up shoes to put them on the shelves. I literally spend so much money in rubber bands, so that's going to come in very handy. This here is a thermoskin. I'm not really sure. I don't know if this is like, I'm assuming this is for your foot. It's a rubberized bottom, thermoskin, probably to keep your foot warm. So that's cool. Zildjian cymbal mallets. Very confident we can sell these. Cymbal mallets by Zildjian. It seems to me that they are in pretty good condition. Like the paint hasn't even fully worn off from the logo. And so We are good with that. Awesome. Maybe, man, this is a good box. Maybe Josh knows me that I like fishing, because he put literally 2 of my favorite crankbaits in here. Probably going to keep these. Let me just pull them out. Where'd my knife go? I'm just gonna pull these out and show you so that you can see what we're looking at. I love fishing. I don't do it enough. And I lose so many of these lures because I'm not a very good fisherman. So I'm constantly paying $5 to $6 a piece for these things. So to have 2 in here is, actually I've never used this one. This will be very interesting. That's it right there. It's a little crankbait. You tie your line off to that little loop, and then you pull it through the water and it jiggles, and it swims back and forth, and then the fish bite and you catch a fish. And then also this deeper water, this is probably, I would say, a 10 to 12 foot deep diving, whereas the other one's a 3 to 4 foot deep diving lure. Super pumped about that. This is garbage. We're gonna set that aside. That's just the bag that the stuff came in. We have this. Oh man, I feel like this is a very good thing to get. 40th anniversary 007 Swatch watch. So let me just show you. The watch has literally not been removed from this case. You could tell, like, it is in such excellent condition. And so as a vintage, I believe this would be considered a vintage piece. That is really awesome. Teeny ties, teeny TY. My daughter will probably try to confiscate this as well. She's pretty much down for like every single cute little thing that shows up for sale. Literally, yeah. So this is wrapped. This is a Happy Meal toy. We're going to do some research on this. Captain Jack Sparrow from Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah, little figurine still in the packaging. Awesome. We will look at the date on this, 2011. Cool. So not vintage, but still worth a flip. We've got a box that says the White House on it. We're going to open that. Wow. Dope. This is a, I don't want to misspeak. This is a White House Christmas ornament, Christmas tree ornament for the White House. Year is 2006. This could potentially sell to a collector of White House items, or who was the president in 2006? That would be George Bush. So that would be something that maybe a George Bush collector, George W. Bush collector, would want to have. Definitely a collectible item that we can flip. Dude, yes. 2 things. Skyrim, the video game for Xbox One. And Josh, I know you're watching this, so literally thank you so much for this last item. This is a personal item for me, and I just know that here's a cool thing about Josh. The dude is the realest of the real, and even as a successful, what I consider a successful, like mid-range YouTuber, meaning he has 40K subs and like has blown up over the last year, 40,000 subs in like less than a year and a half. And he's still willing to pour into other people that are trying to grow their YouTube channel. He sent me a copy of Sean Cannell's YouTube Secrets. I have literally been sitting like thinking, man, I need to get that book. Literally as late as yesterday, I was like, I need to get Sean Cannell's YouTube Secrets. I know Josh has spoken highly of it, and dude, thank you so much for this. I'm literally going to start reading this today. Super pumped about it. I think this is going to be a game changer. Guys, that is the $100 mystery box from Josh, aka Harry Tornado, on YouTube and Instagram. Definitely go give him a follow on both of the platforms. Check out his videos are insane. They're amazing and so captivating, and most importantly, they are entertaining, because entertaining beats everything when it comes to YouTube. I am going to get this stuff listed today. And I will put right here what the final total for all of this stuff is. And yes, thank you for watching. If you made it to the end, be sure to leave a like so that I know you did. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing to this channel for more mystery box content that's coming within the next 2 to 5 days. We have a lot of packages coming in. Guys, thank you for watching again. And then as always, keep selling, get the bag, and I'll see you on the next video.